Welcome to my personal blog website addressing community water fluoridation in Sonoma County. This homepage introduces myself as a full-time registered dental hygienist who has grown up in my hometown of Sonoma County. Water fluoridation has been debated and addressed multiple times over the years and has become quite the hot topic in this county. Because I get questioned almost daily about what type of dental products my patients should be using, under the assumption they are getting fluoride from their tap drinking water, which is not true, I created this blog to inform my community and dental professional cohorts about water fluoridation and the pros and cons that go along with this touchy subject in our county. As we leave the home page, we will go to our next informative page, just answering simple questions. What is fluoride? I have entered some simple facts about fluoride here. What is this stuff anyways? It is a natural element found in the earth, and when this chemical compound is found in mouths, it fights tooth decay. I have a video from the American Dental Society explaining simply what fluoride is here to the right.
Fluoride is natural. It's a fact that fluoride is naturally present in soil, rivers, lakes, and even the ocean. Water fluoridation is the addition of fluoride up to the recommended level for preventing tooth decay. It's similar to fortifying other foods and beverages, like fortifying salt with iodine, milk with vitamin D, orange juice with calcium, and bread with folic acid.
The next question we can answer on the blog is, why fluoridate? To the left here, we have a simple list of positive reasons to fluoridate community water systems. 1. Fluoride is natural, safe, and effective. 2. It prevents tooth decay in all ages, infants to adults. It also saves money as a whole for the average population. Next, implementing fluoride promotes overall health to society. And lastly, community fluoridation allows for availability to entire communities. To the right, I have put another video from the ADA explaining why various hygienists and dentists believe strongly in fluoride.
Fluoride in our community water is a good thing. Here's why. Community water fluoridation is considered one of 10 great public health achievements of the 20th century. In fact, over 100 national health organizations recognize the public health benefits of fluoride in our community water.
It's so important that we prevent tooth decay, which can be a very serious disease if it's not treated. Water fluoridation helps adults as well as children. We have evidence on that. People are keeping their teeth longer, thank goodness.
It's effective.
I'm a mom, I'm a dental hygienist, and I'm also a researcher. And I like to wear all three hats. I always try to find the best science and evidence when I'm trying to make decisions about my children. And fluoride, especially for community water fluoridations, is one of those no-brainers.
It's safe.
Fluoride in community water is absolutely safe. It's been used for over 70 years to help prevent tooth decay.
Thousands of Americans are being misinformed about the safety and benefits of fluoridation. Now, if they go to a credible source, if they go to the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control, if they go to the American Dental Association, if they go to ilikemyteeth.org, when they go to credible sources, they get the facts, the true science, and information.
I have absolutely no concern about community water fluoridation and harming children. I'm actually more concerned about not having fluoride.
On the opposing side of this delicate topic, we have reasons why people do not want to fluoridate community water systems in Sonoma County. The reasons differing from cost and infrastructure to our large organic farming communities not wanting this compound in their produce. People are also concerned with fluorosis in the mouth when too much fluoride is ingested. There is also concerns of people feeling as though their freedom to choose to ingest the compound or not is taken away. And lastly, anti-fluoride activists say there are many other ways to access fluoride if you choose to do so. So next, we're going to go to our Contact Me page. And after presenting both sides of this topic, I want my readers to feel free to send me their thoughts, opinions, and research they have found on their own. I would love feedback from our local community. Here's their area where they can give me their information. Lastly, I list the resources here I used for researching my topic. These resources can be used for either supporters or critics of water fluoridation to do some of their own research. I hope you all enjoyed my blog.